What if humanity actually moved to Mars? Could we survive there? What would our lives look like? What challenges would we have to overcome? Today, we'll explore this question in detail. How we would get to Mars, what technologies we'd need, what the first Martian city would look like, and how humanity might change in this new world. Mars isn't that far away in cosmic terms. On average, it's about 225 million kilometers from Earth. Today, the journey takes between 6 and 9 months. To relocate people, we need massive space vessels, possibly assembled in Earth's orbit. The most promising option today is reusable rockets like SpaceX's Starship. But there are two major problems. 1. Radiation. In deep space, radiation levels are dozens of times higher than on Earth. Astronauts on the ISS are protected by Earth's magnetic field, but there's no such shield on the way to Mars. 2. Microgravity. Spending 9 months in zero gravity weakens muscles and bones. The solution? Either artificial gravity or rigorous exercise. Let's say we solve these issues. The ship arrives at Mars. Now, how do we survive? The first days on Mars. The first problem is the atmosphere. It's too thin and mostly made of carbon dioxide. Breathing without a spacesuit is impossible. The second problem is temperature. The average is minus 63 degrees Celsius, and at night, it can drop below minus 100 degrees Celsius. The third is radiation. Mars has no magnetic field, so cosmic rays constantly bombard the surface. This means that the first settlers will live underground or in pressurized habitats, possibly inside caves for natural protection. But humans need water, food, and oxygen. 1. Water can be extracted from ice beneath the surface. 2. Oxygen can be produced from Mars' atmosphere using tech like MOXIE, currently being tested on NASA's Perseverance rover. 3. Food will either be shipped from Earth or grown in greenhouses designed to handle Martian soil and conditions. These will be the first Martians. Let's fast forward a few decades. Thousands of people now live on Mars. What will Martian cities look like? 1. Underground colonies, the safest option. Entrances will be airlocked, and inside, there will be living quarters, labs, farms, and factories. 2. Dome cities, massive transparent domes filled with breathable air and a controlled climate. 3. Mobile bases, lunar-style habitats on wheels or tracks, allowing humans to explore the planet. Energy will come from nuclear reactors or solar panels, and transportation will rely on electric vehicles and rockets connecting different bases. How will humans change on Mars? Life on Mars won't just be different. It will change humans themselves. 1. Low gravity, one-third of Earth's. This could weaken bones and muscles, make people taller, and change how the heart pumps blood. 2. Evolution. Over hundreds of years, Martians might develop paler skin due to less sunlight exposure. 3. Psychology. Mars is a closed environment where every individual is crucial. This could lead to a more disciplined and cooperative society. Society, economy, and politics on Mars. A growing Martian colony would develop its own economy and governance. Will Mars have its own government, or will it remain controlled by Earth? Will it use Earth money, or will it create its own economy based on local resources? Will Martian society be more communal, with strict rules to ensure survival? Over time, Martians might demand independence from Earth, leading to the first interplanetary revolution in human history. A human colony on Mars is no longer just science fiction. It's a real possibility within this century. But living there would be incredibly challenging. If we succeed, Mars could be humanity's first step toward becoming an interplanetary civilization. And who knows? Maybe one day we'll look beyond Mars to Titan, Europa, or even planets beyond our solar system. Would you move to Mars if given the chance? Let me know in the comments.